In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a dog. So first, what you want to start out with is breaking the dog into the basic shape. So I'm going to start with the head. So I'm going to make a very light circle and just go around and around. And then that's going to be the head. And then I'm going to build on another oval shape onto the head to make the snout for the dog. Next, I'm going to draw the neck. So to draw the neck, I'm going to add 2 curve shapes for each side of the neck, and then a nice oval shape for the body. After I have the body, I'm going to create the feet and paws. So I'm going to have 1, 2 lines coming down and 1, 2 curve shapes. Then I'm going to add another curve shape for the leg and another curve shape for the foot. After that, I'm going to add some lines to create the little toes. After I have completed all the toes, I'm going to add 2 curved lines to create the tail. And I'm going to extend that all the way down to the paw. After I have completed that, I'm going to move on to adding more detail to the face. So I'm going to start with 2 curve shapes that are kind of ovals. One that's closest to you is a little bit bigger than the one that's further away. And then I'm going to add 2 ovals inside to be the irises or the pupils. Then I'm going to add the nose. Now your nose can vary in shape. I'm going to make mine a round little circle. And then I'm going to add some ears. Your ears can point up like this, or they can kind of flap over, which I think I'm going to do for my dog. Now, after you have all the basic shapes, next comes the fun part. You get to outline all of the lines that you want to keep and add contour lines to all of them. So I'm going to start with the head, and I'm going to outline the eyes first, then the pupils, then the nose. And I'm going to add a little mouth in there too. You can also add on a little collar. And as you go around, you can adjust those lines if you like a little bit. I may make some of the paws a little bit bigger. But the idea is you're using those basic shapes as a guide to create that final contour. Once you have that final contour done, then you can go back in and add some other details if you like. Like say you wanted to add some eyebrows, or maybe a little dot on the nose or a sparkle in the eye. You can go back and add all of those things, and then you have completed your drawing of a dog. Well done, boys and girls. Now, if you want that extra polished look, of course, you can go back in with your eraser and erase all of those pencil lines, which I will do now just so that you can see what that final dog looks like. Now, that's the great thing about using basic shapes, is that they help you figure out the proportions as you're drawing, but they're just temporary. So once you have those shapes drawn in, you don't have to live with them forever. The key is to just make sure you're pressing very, very lightly. That way they are easy to erase.
Thank you for watching kimikoARTS. Remember to always have fun and keep drawing. Please feel free to message me to let me know what you would like to draw next. Until then,